Hello sir, this is Jagadish. My topic is modes of transfer. Introduction. Data transfer is a key function of computer systems. CPU communication with peripherals using various transfer modes. Goal: efficient, accurate and synchronized data exchange. Basic data transfer concepts. Source and destination, CPU, memory and I/O devices. Bus, communication pathway, data address, control lines, control signals, synchronize transfer operations. Types of data transfer modes: programmed I/O polling, interrupt driven input, direct memory access DMA, memory mapped input, isolated input, port mapped input. Programmed input polling, CPU actively checks device status, transfers data by executing program instructions. Example: keyboard input checked by CPU repeatedly. Advantages and disadvantages of programmed input. Advantages: simple to implement, no special hardware required. Disadvantages: wastes CPU time, inefficient for slow devices. Interrupt driven input. Device notifies CPU via interrupt when ready. CPU handles data only when necessary. Interrupt handler service routine manages the transfer. Microprocessor, data bus, inter request, inter acknowledge I/O device. Advantages and disadvantages of interrupt driven input. Advantages: better CPU utilization, faster response to input events. Disadvantages: requires interrupt hardware, complex software management. Direct memory access DMA, data transferred directly between input devices and memory. CPU bypassed during actual data movement. Direct memory access controller manages the process. Direct memory access operation steps. CPU initializes DMA with source, destination and count. Direct memory access controller requests control of the bus. Data transferred directly between input and memory. Direct memory access signals CPU when done. Advantages and disadvantages of direct memory access. Advantages: very efficient for large data blocks, reduces CPU load. Disadvantages: more hardware complexity, possible bus contention. Conclusion: different modes balanced speed, efficiency and hardware complexity. Direct memory access is ideal for high-speed devices. Interrupt input suits real-time operations. Programmed input fits simple peripherals. Thank you.